So this is the secret code to do hardware test on Infinix Smart 9. Okay, in the first step you can go to the dial number and you can type star hash 90 hash. And in this option you can tap on correct like this. Then you can tap on manual test. And in this checking list you can select any option, maybe color to check LCD like this, to check your LCD is good or not. You can check the fingerprint like this. Or another.
4, 4, 3.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. So there is the secret code to check hardware on Infinix Smart 9. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.